In addition to great circles, we also have small circles. There are also lines on the Earth's surface prescribed by circles. A small circle differs from a great circle as it does not have the same centre or radius as that of the Earth. Small circles can run in any direction over the surface of the Earth, provided that the centre and radius does not coincide with that of the Earth. Good examples of small circles are parallels of latitude. All parallels of latitude are small circles, except for the equator. The equator has the same centre and radius as that of the Earth, and is therefore the only parallel of latitude that is actually a great circle. Small circles do not necessarily have to run east or west, as in the case of parallels of latitude. Small circles can run in any direction, as long as they do not have the same centre or radius as that of the Earth.